Right here I have Moxika hair. I have their 18-inch 2x6 closure. They're 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles, and I have it in the texture straight. Right here I have BW2 bleach, powder bleach, and I have their 40 developer. I also have a container with a silicone brush. Right here I'm going to be taking 2 scoops of bleach and putting it into the container, as you see right here. And I don't put a lot of developer. I put in little by little until it's the consistency I like. I don't want the consistency to be watery, because if it's watery it will seep through the closure and you do not want that. So you want to make sure it is thick enough to where it won't seep through your closures. Right here I am lightly spreading it on the closure. I do not want to overwork it where it seeps through the closure and then you have bleached the hair. We're just trying to bleach the knots, not the hair, so be very light-handed when you do this. I kept the bleach on for about 10 minutes and then I'm about to wash it with Suave's Moroccan Infusion shampoo. So as you can see right here, I'm working through making sure I get all the bleach out, and I'm just observing the part and it looks good. So yeah, let me work through the shampoo. Now I'm about to shampoo the bundles, and also after I'm done shampooing the bundles I will condition both the closure and the bundles. I had T-pin the closure. I put a little bit of an inch ahead of the wig cap, as you can see. I make sure that it's laying flat with the T-pins, and now I'm about to just plait the hair so I'll be able to sew around the closure. For this part, when you start sewing, make sure you get very as close as you can to the edge when you start. So for this part, I T-pinned the hair close to the closure from end to end, if that makes any sense. So I do it this way up until I can't do it no more. So right now I'm doing the middle part. I double the wefts and I'm gonna start sewing straight ahead. I only double the wefts like a little bit in the middle. Other than that, I use single wefts for that. So I have this little space over here, so I'm gonna just sew and fill in the space on the sides. Now I finished the hair. I'm just getting the part ready. After this, I cut off the wig cap underneath the closure, and off camera I straightened the hair.